Whoa. Hype Beast Mode. Yeah. I know I'm the shit with a new odor. Easy money, get fly, get flew over. All these niggas jacking styles, no respect. All these niggas say they rappers with no chicks. Bad hoes, big blunts. Players only live once. She bonafide down the ride. I let her dry the dick once. Drop it out, pick it up. Money never been an issue. Old hoes with old jokes. Nigga, I don't miss you. Drake line. Never be tripping off of what ain't mine. But if that ass up and face dying, then it's game time. And the game's simple. Get mine, then invisible. She a bad bitch, but bad hoes get dismissed too. At least it's how we do it on my side. Tunnel vision to a dollar sign on my side. We don't need guns, we got money on my side. So you don't ever gotta spike a ball to catch a blind side. I love God, fam, music, all the above. I like money a lot, I like to blow it on stuff. Grab a handful, throw that shit to the ceiling. Pussy lust for me and follow me about the building. Women calling me up, confessing all they feelings. But how they used to like me, but I had too many bitches. But what you think changed since then? Best friends done become strange since then. Niggas that hate me wanna be my next of kin. And bitches bag lame again, so ain't no way you gon' win. With the Styro 4, Robotusso, double G belt with a double C coat. I'm
going hype beast mode, hype beast mode, hype beast mode, hype beast mode. Fresh ass clothes, you ain't seen those. I'm going hype beast mode, 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 hype beast mode. Fresh ass clothes, you ain't seen those. I'm going hype beast mode, hype beast mode.
That bitch get took like a photo, that's quick like Pro Quo. That hoe smell that dodo, and that dodo get her loco. I'm getting head, that's Ocho, in the back of the 6. I dropped off at Soho and I headed straight to the strip. Cause my mind's still on Modo, ain't got time to visit. But send me your info and I bring it to my city. Don't worry what it here for, just know you gon' be with me. And any club we stop at, just know you better get it. She know she bout that money, she ain't never changed up. And right now she nameless, but I'ma make her famous. I'm committed to this paper like Kinko's. A lot of niggas rapping, ain't none of them making sense though. I ain't hit a meal yet, but I'm ballin' like I did. I ain't fucked your bitch yet, but she callin' like I did. Pokey type of features and they crawling on my whip. Bullets for these haters, they ain't staying in these clips. I'm going hype beast mode, fresh ass unit. Brand new T with them old ass Ewins. Brand new bitches and they down for the choosing. Old ass money start a brand new movement. I'm on my grind while I'm chasing, ain't got time to be playing. Why these niggas out here faking? I'm just saving, stacking up my bread like I'm retired. Even when I'm at the top, I'm steady looking high. And I'm still flyer than most. Got the J's on my toes, 3s of the 4s. All my jewels gold with the Styro 4, Robotusso, double G belt with a double C coat. I'm
going hype beast mode, hype beast mode, hype beast mode, hype beast mode. Fresh ass clothes, you ain't seen those. I'm going hype beast mode, 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 hype beast mode. Fresh ass clothes, you ain't seen those. I'm going hype beast mode, hype beast mode. Going hype beast mode, hype beast mode, hype beast mode, hype beast mode. Fresh ass clothes, you ain't seen those. I'm going hype beast mode, 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 hype beast mode. Fresh ass clothes, you ain't seen